This is the assembly instruction video for the boohugger cat scratching post. Cut the zip tie and open the bag, and then you'll find everything that's included. The shaft, the 3 legs, 6 screws, and the Allen key. Align the number ones, align the arrows, put a screw through the hole, and hand tighten it. Align the number 2, align the arrows, put a screw through the hole, and hand tighten it. Align the number 3s, align the arrows, put a screw through the hole, and hand tighten it. The next 3 screws go up through the bottom of the leg through the hole that passes straight through the pole. They go into the top pole that only has a hole on the bottom. Once all the screws have gone through their respective holes and everything lines up, then tighten up all the screws with the Allen key. Then it's done.